Welcome. I'm so glad that you have decided to join me. It is a beautiful day and we are about to hit the hiking trail. So I hope you wore the right boots because, well, if you don't, it can be uncomfortable. You know, if your boots are weak and they don't have a good sole on them, you can feel every rock that you step on, and believe me, it'll take its toll on you. So make sure you're wearing the proper boots. Now, it is a beautiful day today. The sun is shining. The temperatures are just perfect. It is a perfect day to go for a hike. And the thing about a hike, it's not just a walk where you're just walking around aimlessly. No, it is more than that. It is a great form of exercise, but it's also a great way for you to connect to nature. A great way for you to reflect on your life and think about things. It gives you a chance to figure things out. Think about the problems you have, the issues you're facing. Maybe there's something at work you can't figure out or something you're stuck on. When you're out here, you have plenty of time to just think. Just take a moment, stop the hike, stop walking, close your eyes, feel the breeze, smell that forest, and just listen. Listen to your own consciousness, and maybe you'll find the answer. That is the beauty of doing this. It's even better when you travel around and visit different places. It's a new experience. It keeps life interesting. If you're new to the channel, my name is Mike. And what I do here is point of view 4K hiking videos. So you get to see what I see as I hit the trails. And you get to watch it in beautiful 4K. And really what it's like you're here with me. That this is your hike, and it's your point of view. So it's a great way to escape your day, especially if you're stuck. Maybe it's a rainy day where you are, and you desperately want to get out there, but you just don't want to get wet. Or you're at work, and you're taking a 20 to 30 minute break, and you just need a way to escape the daily grind. Well, you can do that right here. By playing this video, you can see the forest as if you are here. Now, I like to do a few videos every week. I do two types of video. One is a video where I tell some kind of story. I maybe tell something that's inspirational or even funny. Sometimes even a little horror story. The second type of video I do is a sights and sound video. And that is where I stop talking and I let you enjoy the video as it was recorded. So you get to hear the sounds of the forest, the sounds of the crunching of the leaves, the birds chirping. And that is what we're going to do today. Today is a sights and sounds video where you will get to enjoy the sounds. And there's a lot of great sounds today because it is such a nice day and those birds are happy. They are chirping like crazy. Now, before I get to that, there's a couple things I gotta do. One, I would like to invite you to subscribe to this channel. By subscribing, it helps the channel grow. It tells the YouTube algorithms that people are watching and interested in this kind of video. Also, if you enjoy the video, be sure to hit that like button. That also helps. It really does. And if people do that, then these videos have a chance to grow, and I can continue to make more. Finally, before I zip it and let you enjoy the sights and sounds of today's hike, I do have one more thing to do, and that is what I like to call a shameless plug. And a shameless plug is exactly how it sounds. I plug something of mine shamelessly, something that I have created, whether it's a website, a product, or whatever. And I like to take that moment right now to do a shameless plug. This is Mike with a shameless plug for my own website. I actually have a few websites, but today I would like to introduce you to MikeMBurkeDesigns.com. If you're looking for cool items to add to your home, give as a gift, we got Christmas, you've got birthdays, there are plenty of things to choose from here at MikeMBurkeDesigns.com. A lot of these items are designed for the home. We have beautiful items for your bedroom, for your living room, all kinds of different themes. So check out MikeEmbergDesigns.com and order today. And there's my shameless plug.